Master your roadside emergencies with Noco Boost plus GB40. Imagine being stuck with a dead battery miles from home. With the Noco Boost plus GB40, it's no longer a worry. This compact powerhouse is designed to jumpstart your battery up to 20 times on a single charge, offering peace of mind wherever you go. Safety is paramount with Noco's ultra-safe technology. The GB40 features spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it foolproof for anyone to use. Attach the clamps without any fear, start your vehicle, and drive away effortlessly. The GB40 is more than a jump starter. It's also a portable power bank and flashlight. Recharge your smartphones and tablets, or illuminate your surroundings with its 100-lumen LED flashlight, perfect for emergencies with 7 modes, including SOS. Designed to withstand any climate, the GB40 boasts a rugged, water-resistant enclosure with a rubberized casing that prevents scratches. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's ultra-compact and easily fits in your glove box, ready whenever you need it. Be prepared for the unexpected and elevate your emergency readiness with the Noco Boost Plus GB40. Visit the link below to ensure you're never at the mercy of a dead battery and embrace every journey with confidence. Order now and equip yourself with this trusted emergency tool.